Hello and welcome. As part of getting access to bigger opportunities, we often have to work through RFX processes, could be RFI or RFPs. As part of that, Field Security created a process in conjunction with lots of different teams to make sure you have all the right information you need to fill the RFP in time. You can review that handbook page here to have more information. A couple of things I want to note right now. First is you have all the participants here you can reach out to if you have specific questions on different topics. You see security, people ops, CSG, all these people can be reached out if you have any information that you need. But of course, following the process and creating an issue would be the best way to get your RFP done. Also for financial information, you have to use this page because as often we get financial questions coming through the RFP process, you should have access to all the information you need to fill it yourself following this link created by Sarah and the billing and AR team. And you should have everything in there. It is a massive repository of information regarding our financial data. So let's go through the process real quick of creating an RFP. You would click here to get access to the issue board. As there might be confidential information in there, I would directly get to the new issue template just so you know how it works. Should I get here? Then I just need to find the RFP intake form. This is it. Once you have access to the RFP intake form, this is very simple. What you need to do is to make sure you confirm you've read the handbook page we just discussed, that you have the approval from your area sales manager, and then for the content area, you need to put out which teams would be involved. So let's say security should be involved. Let's say I need some things from finance, but I know I can access most of that information, so I only need to reach out to finance for very specific things. And then let's say I need help from ESG. Might be ESG questions in there. Then you should put in here which product it relates to. Let's say self-managed. The RR amount, let's say it's 150,000, and link to Salesforce opportunity. Here you should attach any documentation. So you could attach specific XLS links, access to a portal, docx files, anything you need for us to fill it. Then, once you're all done, you shouldn't assign it to anyone because we will assign it to ourselves once we get through it. You should put the due date in terms of when we should complete the RFP by, and then create the issue, and you're all set.